Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get crypto.com tax forms. So you will receive an email from this URL, that is no reply at crypto.com, to the latest email address that we have on record. You need to follow the link to download a copy of your form 1099-MISC or 1099-B. If you have not received an email, you need to check your email's spam or the junk folder. If a paper copy is needed, you can contact to the contact@crypto.com. So as you can see that in order to get your tax form from crypto.com, you don't need to actually do anything, as the crypto.com customer service is going to give you the form link via email. Now still, if you are not able to find it, then what you can do is you can simply contact to the customer support team on crypto.com. For that, in the crypto.com application, you can simply go to the help section, and from here you can select the chat option or the contact email option, and you can contact with them. Or what you can do is you can simply come to crypto.com, then scroll down and click on the contact us button. Then it will redirect you on the chat page of crypto.com, where you just have to provide some of your details and you can contact with the crypto.com customer support team in order to get your tax form. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.